We're going to talk today about a veterans program called the RAMP program, I believe. So tell us
Yes.
what that is.
Okay, so the RAMP program is an acronym for the Rapid Appeals Modernization Program. And essentially what it is right now is the VA is starting a new appeals, it's called the Appeals Modernization Program, and they are basically implementing a new system of appeals starting in February of 2019. But what RAMP is doing, RAMP is essentially a way for veterans to opt in to the new system early.
Oh,
And it seems on its face like it's a really good system, a good program, but we'll get into it a little bit today that there's some downfalls and some pitfalls to the RAMP program. But on its face, it's essentially a way to get into this new program early.